2004 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, four-wheel drive, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control automatic. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.